Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the site emails you want gone. Open Gmail and search using from or the word unsubscribe to isolate those senders. This saves time versus checking one message at a time. Once done, apply a temporary label so you can act in bulk. Make sure to check the message header when unclear, because some services use varied addresses. This first step sets the stage. Grouping lets you choose unsubscribe, block, or filter without repeating work for each site. Next, you act on those grouped emails. Use Gmail's visible unsubscribe when available to stop lists legitimately. If Gmail doesn't show that, open a message and use the three-dot menu to block the sender or choose filter messages like these. When creating a filter, decide. Delete forever for spammy sites, skip the inbox, and apply a label for record keeping or archive. These filters run automatically, which prevents future clutter and removes the need to manually manage each incoming message. Finally, apply your new filters to existing conversations to clean up the backlog. This completes the removal process. Make sure to monitor for variations. Some services send from multiple domains, so update filters or block additional addresses as they appear. If messages persist, report them as spam to train Gmail's system and consider contacting the website to request removal. If the site ignores you, escalate by using filters to delete and by checking account settings on that site to opt out directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.